Hey everyone, Brodie here. I'm the owner of Apollo Screen and Shade Serving Wisconsin and Illinois. Out here, the garage isn't just for parking, it's where you work on projects, have friends over for the game, or just decompress after a long day. Midwesterners actually live in their garages in a way people in other parts of the country just don't. The problem is, the second you open that door for fresh air, every bug in the neighborhood wants in. And with only 5 or 6 good months of weather, you can't afford to waste a single one. That's why motorized garage screens have taken off here more than anywhere else in the country. We install more of them than any dealer in the US, right here in Wisconsin and Illinois. We exclusively install Apollo motorized garage screens, one button, and you've got a full wall of fresh air with zero bugs. Whether your garage is a workshop, a hangout spot, or a home gym, it finally works the way you always wanted it to. And because we back every install with 5-star service and a 20-year warranty, you're dealing with us directly. There's not a big box store that can't pick up the phone. Once people see one running, that's usually all it takes. You didn't know you needed it until you have it.